today's look is a bit too much, but what the hell, I like it. Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel, My Pastel Love. How you guys doing? I hope you all are well. In today's video I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite go-to lip balms that I love using, and lip balms is one product that I cannot absolutely live without. Like, once I started using it, there was no going back, and I have extremely dry chapped lips, so for me it's like a necessary product. I need to carry it wherever I go, and I need to have it beside my bed. So over the years I have tried a lot of lip balms, like a lot, and I have curated my top 6-7 lip balms for you guys. So if you are interested in knowing what are those products, do keep on watching. Okay, so the first lip balm that I'm going to show you guys is an absolute favorite, and it is my top lip balm. That is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Now once I started using this, I was mind blown. Like, this is one product which is on the expensive side. Now Laneige is a Korean brand. Now this product costs rupees 500 for 8 grams, but I feel like it's totally worth it because I don't know for how long I've been using this every single night, and it's still not over. You guys see it? So I feel like little goes a long way. So even if it's expensive, I feel like you should invest in this particular product, especially if you have dry lips like me. You should go for this one. This is like a lip sleeping mask. You lather it up at night and wake up with healed and soft and supple lips. I'm not even joking. This has that healing power. It has a very sweet strawberry kind of scent, and it is little light pink in color, but it does not have any tint, so it goes on opaque and glossy on your lips. It's moisturizing and it gives you that glossy effect. And you can even put this under your lipstick. Just wait for a few minutes, just apply this lip balm, wait for a few minutes, and then you can go on with those matte lipsticks that dry out your lips. And this, if you apply, your lips is going to be so smooth, so supple. I can go on talking about this product, but yeah, just get this if you are willing to invest 500 rupees on a lip balm, but it's totally worth it. Let me just tell you that it's one of my favorites. Now the Laneige one was my favorite unless I came across this one. This is from Juicy Chemistry, and this is their Blood Orange and Rose Hip Organic Lip Balm. This is an Indian brand, and it is an organic brand. Juicy Chemistry I absolutely love, but oh my god, I was not expecting this to be that good, but I thought let me just try it out. And this is how it looks like. It has this yellow color to it, but when it goes on the lips, it goes on like a lip oil. Like, it has the balmy texture, but when you apply it, it goes on like a lip oil, and the color also doesn't show, though it looks yellow, but actually it has no color at all. And this has a very orangey, citrusy kind of scent, and I fell in love. This actually is one of my recent purchases. If you haven't seen my Nykaa haul, you can go and check it out. This I bought recently, which is why I didn't even use it that much, and I used to keep on using the Laneige one, but when I used it, oh my god, this is better than the Laneige one for me, according to me. Like, whatever I say in this video is according to my perception, right? It can differ. Like, you may have a different opinion, but according to me, this is one of the best lip balms that I have ever tried. Of course it's going to moisturize, of course it's going to hydrate your lips, and it has that healing power, which is why I'm raving about it. But just give this one a try, you guys. Now this one retails for rupees 350 for 5 gram of product, but if I have to recommend you one lip balm and you want to try out one from my list, then get this one. Now moving on to some more affordable lip balms but equally good. It's the Palm Candy Melt lip balms. Now I absolutely love these, and again, this is something I purchased recently and fell in love with it, especially this candy one, because it smells so good. Like, oh my god, it smells like bubble gummy, very subtle, very sweet scented, but the formula is more like a Vaseline sort of, if you like that sort of formula, very balmy, very Vaseline-y, but excellent for the lips. Of course, it's moisturizing, hydrating, and heals your cracked lips. All that is there, which is why it's in my favorite lip balm list. But it all comes down to the formulas. Like the Laneige one is more jelly, sort of sticky. The Juicy Chemistry one is more of a lip oil sort of formula, and this one is more like Vaseline. So if you are into that, then get this one. I think it comes in 3 flavors. I have 2 of this. This is the chocolate and mint one. This has a little bit of a minty cooling effect, and this one is the bubblegum one, which is my favorite out of the 2 because of the scent, of course, but the formula wise these are amazing and both are same. Now this one retails for rupees 295 for 12 gram of product, which is you get a lot more for lesser price, and it also comes in red velvet, so you can also try that one out. But yeah, one of my favorites again. The next lip balm that is always there inside my bag is this one from Nykaa. This is the Nykaa Serial Kisser Lip Balm in the flavor green apple. Now again, flavor, they have tons of flavors. You can try any. Previously I had tried lemon. This one actually came free with one of my Nykaa purchases, but I fell in love with this one. I was given the lemon flavor and I finished it off completely, which is why I went ahead and got this green apple one, which is fairly new. Now this one comes in this chapstick sort of, lipstick sort of, bullet sort of packaging. Now when you don't want to dig your finger into the pot and apply it, then you can go for this sort of packaging, which I absolutely love. Again, it has a very nice green apple subtle sort of scent, and it's affordable, moisturizing, hydrating, on the go sort of a lip balm. Absolutely love it. Now this retails for 149 rupees for 4.5 grams of product, which is super duper affordable. The quality you get is an excellent choice. You can go for any of the flavors you want to. The next one is also from Nykaa, and this is their Lip Crush Macaroon Lip Balm. First of all, the packaging is super cute. Oh my god. If stacked together, this will definitely look like macaroon. It is so cute. Now again, it comes in tons of flavors. You can check it out on the website. But coming to the formula, this is the black currant flavor, and it looks like this. This looks very bluish in color. But again, when you apply it, it has no color whatsoever. Again, very moisturizing, very balm-like texture, but not as thick as the plum one. So this is more, I would say, between the plum and the Juicy Chemistry one. But I absolutely love it. It's very hydrating, very moisturizing, looks cute sitting on my vanity. I particularly love to keep this beside my bed. Looks very cute sitting in my vanity too. And of course, it is very moisturizing, hydrating, and definitely very affordable. Now this one retails for rupees 249 for 8 gram of product. Currently it is on sale for 20%, and you can get it for 199. So again, damn affordable. You're getting a good quantity. Looks amazing. It also comes in like 7 different flavors, so you can try out any of the flavor. I had previously tried out the chocolate and hazelnut one, which I absolutely love, and this is the blackberry one, which is equally good. Okay, so the next lip balm you can try is from Blue Heaven. These look so cute. Again, this has that egg sort of shape, eggshell, and when you open it up, it looks like this, and you can directly apply it on your lips like this. Super duper cute. Again, very affordable, very moisturizing. I had bought this one first. I almost finished it off, and this is again my second purchase. Again, comes in bunch of flavors. You can try it out. It does not particularly have any scent to it, but very hydrating, moisturizing, and this is again one of those go-to lip balms that I go for. Now this is something that won't give you that oiliness, or that like you will feel the moisturizing, but it won't be visible. So it is again very good if you want to apply it beneath your lipstick. Now these Blue Heaven lip balms cost 85 rupees only. Like seriously, super duper affordable for 8 grams of products. I think this is one of those very affordable products I absolutely love. Blue Heaven anyway as a brand is amazing, affordable product. So yeah, definitely check these out. if you are looking for a super duper affordable yet excellent lip balm slash lip balm as they call it. The next lip balm you can also try, which is again super affordable, are these Wadi Herbals lip balm. Now these again comes in several flavors. I have 2 of these. These are so affordable, you guys. Again, it has those flavors sort of scent like strawberry and orange, but I'm not very big fan of the scent because it's not like the sweet type. Like I love the palm ka scent, like the candy mint one scent smells so good, but the Wadi ones ka smell I'm not very big fan of. But the formula again is very nice, very decent amount it has, and very affordable. Now these retail for only ₹58 and you get 6 grams of product, and you can also get a 10% off right now on Nykaa, and also you get like in combo, like you can buy 3. Like I bought these 2 in a combo for ₹104. Super duper affordable again the formula is amazing. Again, it has a very balmy sort of texture, but when you apply it, it goes on like a lip oil. Absolutely stunning, very hydrating, moisturizing. Absolutely recommend the Wadi Herbals lip balm if you're looking for an affordable go-to lip balm in your life. Now last but not the least, the lip balm I absolutely love is from Biotique. Now again, I have shown you guys my Biotique video where I have spoken about this in a little bit in depth, and this is how it looks like. Again, the amount is so much, I don't know if you can ever get over with it. This cost ₹175 for 12 grams of product. That's a lot when it comes to lip balms because you just need tiny bit of it. This is the Biofruit lip balm and it has this red color, but when you apply it, it gives you this red tint. So this is more like a tinted sort of lip balm, but very light tint, not much. So it has this, so if you want that tinted red sort of lips at the same time moisturizing effect, definitely go for this one because it is a tinted lip balm. So if you are looking for an amazing, hydrating, good quality, affordable yet that tinted sort of lips you want, then definitely go for the Biotique one. So those were all the lip balms that I've been loving and using. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried any of these, and if this video was helpful, do hit the like button, subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.